Do me a favor. Be willing to begin again. And again. And again. Take the risk. Travel to places you've never been. Try things that scare you. Apply for the thing that you might not get. Choose the friends who challenge you over the ones who agree with you. And when you fail, when, not if, you get back up, you take what you've learned, and you go again. You've earned this day. Every moment of doubt, every draft that didn't work, every time you had no idea where to start, it all brought you here. Every day after this is yours to earn. That is not a burden. That is a rare and precious gift.